How to restore archived chats on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore archived chats on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, there you can see the option labeled as archive. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, what you can do is simply select the conversation, and from there you can simply send a message to unarchive it. And that's it. That's how you can restore archived chats on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.